Start CATIA software, mechanical design, part design. Options: units set to millimeters. Okay. Select one plane, sketch the outer profile of the piston. Start drawing line. Parallel to horizontal axis, draw one line. Constrain length equal to 20.5. Okay. Start another line, vertical line. Constrain length equal to 20. Okay. Next line. Constrain length equal to 5 mm. Next line. Five mm. Select the end correctly, draw line. Next line. Constrain length equal to 200 mm. Zoom in. Next line. Start from the end. Correct the length using constraints. Five mm. Next line. Length equal to 5 mm. Constraints length equal to 5 mm. Length equal to matching with that particular edge, align with the edge. Now length equal to 5 mm. Next line. So align with the line. Next line, vertical line. Constraints 5 mm. Next line. Constraints length equal to 5 mm. Next line. Constraints length equal to 40 mm. line, constraints length equal to 100 up to the middle point, center point. Next line, length equal to 25. Next line, length equal to 74.5. Next line, length equal to 230. Zoom in. Next line, length equal to 5 mm. Line, now we want to distance from the axis, constraints. So distance from the axis, it is 100 mm. Now you draw the axis line. So that we can rotate about that axis line. It is our constraint because it's a violet color. Now you remove one dimension, it become green color. If it's our constraints, you cannot rotate it. You go to shaft command. So it becomes the object. You select the axis and the profile, you will get the object, actual product. So this is the piston. Now we want to make some more profiles, add some more profiles on that. For that you have to select the plane, center plane, and draw one circle. Now the circle is on the center plane. Correct the dimensions. Dimensions equal to 66. Diameter equal to 66. Now from the center distance, axis, so origin to the center of the circle, you have to select the center of circle. The distance is 149. Okay. Now is at the middle plane actually. You can see the object, it is on the middle plane circle. So drafted filleted pad, length equal to -30, that is some shifting, offsetting. Select the reference surface as a shaft surface. Need not require any fillets, so cancel the fillets. Angle equal to 30, fillet angle, draft angle equal to 30. So you get these objects. Now you want a profile exactly similar on the opposite side. For that we will use the mirror commands. Transformation features mirror. You select that particular profile. Okay. Select the plane properly. You will get the mirror object. Now we want two holes on this particular profile for gudgeon pin. So select the plane, sketch it. So now sketching will happens on that particular surface. Select the plane and sketch it. Now we have selected that particular plane. Select the plane and sketch. Now select the circle, draw one circle at the center, align with the axis. Dimension equal to d equal to 30 mm. Distance from horizontal axis to the center of circle equal to 149. 149. Now exit sketch. Shell option. Up to last. Up to last. Up to surface. You select the outer surface. So you get the hole, through hole. Just rotate it and see hole is correct or not. So hole is correctly made. Now you select the opposite side. Sketch. Now sketching will happen on that particular selected surface. Circle. Okay. Constraints, correct the diameter and position. Diameter equal to 30. Now you have to correct the location axis to that particular center of the circle. It is 149. Okay. Now again go for exit sketch and shell option. Shell option. Up to surface. Select the outer surface. Okay. You got the through hole. Now we want to make the recess channel recess for that split pin. So it is better to make a section in this case. So select this plane and draw the rectangle at the center of the hole. Exactly at the center of the hole. Select the rectangle. Exit sketch. Shell options. Up to last. Okay. Now cutting is made exactly middle of the hole. So everything is clear from this particular sketch. So you can rotate it and see whether it is correct or not. Section is as the desired. Now you select you want to make the recess hall, recess not hall, recess. For that you have to draw a rectangle. So you select the surface, sketch, sketch rectangle, center rectangle. You have to change, correct the positions. So from the axis, our axis is reference is on the axis origin. Then from that height equal to 164, 164 on the surface of the hole. Then from vertical to that recess point, center of the recess is 80. Now width and height of that recess, width is 10 mm, height also 10 mm. Now we want an axis for rotation. Draw one axis. Axis location also must be specified. From the axis, from the origin to that particular axis is 149. Now exit sketch, groove options, select the axis and the profile, you get the recess. Similarly, you have to make one more recess on the other side. Select center rectangle, correct the location, height and the distance from the center. (164). Then from the center to the recess point, it is 80 mm. Center to center of the axis, origin to center of the recess is 80 mm. Now you have to arrange, correct the height and width of the recess. Height equal to 10 mm, width equal to 10 mm. Now draw the axis. Exit sketch, groove options, adjust center distance 149, axis length, then exit sketch, groove options, you got the other. And you want to make a fillet, correctly select the edge. You want to make the fillet, dress up features, edge fillet, radius of the fillet equal to 32. Okay, you got the fillets. So this is the sectional view of the piston. You can save this file. file, first save, and then okay. Now to draw, make the drafting, select, open the drafting tool, modify, select portrait. Okay. Okay, now automatically it generates the drawings. So it is better to delete unwanted drawings because space is very much limited. So you select, you make, retain only one view. If the details are available, you retain only one view. One view. So right click, properties, reduce the scale 1:2. Okay, so now it is actually resized to A4 size sheet. You can give dimensions here, zoom it and give the dimensions. Dimensioning, dimensions, automatically dimensions will be displayed. Zoom in and correctly select the edges, length, dimensions. Dimensions. Drag and place the dimensions, the required position. Want to draw the radius dimensions, radius of the fillet equal to R32. Insert, dimensioning, dimensions, diameter dimensions, diameter equal to 159. Similarly, you can give all other dimensions. Diameter dimensions 30, dimensions equal to 40, table, insert one table, 2 columns and 4 rows. Double click on the table, you edit, part name equal to piston, drawn by type your name, class, A6 neck, roll, roll number, type your roll number out of it. Now save the file, save the drawings, and save as. First save the file, then you save as. Either you can save in PDF format or JPG format. Thank you.